Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing an unboxing of my new Nitro RC from HSP. As you can see right there, it's not the one, this monster truck right here that comes in the front. I don't know why they put that, if that's not even the one that comes, but I got my knife here, and let's get to it. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. It's a little difficult. The box was like a little messed up when it got here, and you can like see inside. Hopefully nothing else inside is actually messed up. Oh, forgot my knife. I have to go under here. Get this one. Oh, over here. There we go. Switch hands. Boom. Come down. Oh gosh, where's it stuck now? Oh, up top right there. Boom. There it is. Stickers. HSP. Radio. Just your basic. Ready to run radio. Put that to the side. And here it is. The actual car. Let me take this out of your way. There it is. As you can see, I got the rally car edition. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Got a little excited. Didn't even check if there's anything else. These are just straps. Parts list. Instruction manual. Bind plug. Antenna tube. Okay. So this is the car. I like the body. Blue wheels. I don't really like how the blue with the green and black. Might change that. But it's a thick body. Doesn't feel thin. Turn this around. Let's take the body clips off. 4 body clips. 2 in the back. 2 in the front. That's it. Lift it off. Boom. There it is. Let's see. I think this is a .18 engine. .18, .15. Something like that. Oil, air filter. That still needs to be oiled. Fuel tank. Pretty small fuel tank actually. Tires feel okay. Front bumper, battery box and receiver box. I think it comes with the double A's, or it doesn't come with double A's, but it comes with a pack where you have to put double A's. And I think I'm gonna change that to a hump pack. It looks like you have to use preload clips for the shocks. There's no threaded bodies. Steering servo. What else? Exhaust, just a regular black plastic exhaust. Let's take a look at the radio. So the radio, again, like I said, just standard. It's got, can't really see, you guys can see there, there you go, steering trim, throttle trim, and steering dual rate. And then you got your channel reverse over here, and then your bind button right in the middle. But other than that, let's see, you're gonna need 8 AA's to power this thing. Good thing I have that can bind to 20 other receivers, so I don't really have to use this unless I have to use it. So let's see, the suspension actually feels pretty good. Doesn't feel too bad. I don't know if you guys can see in there, but it is a 2-speed. Yeah, you can see those two on the clutch bell, the 2 gears. I like the blue a lot. Just doesn't match the body. The blue wheels don't match the body, but maybe I'll paint those or do something with them. Flip it over. There you go. Spur gears, 2-speed. Turn the engine over right here. But that's pretty much it. There's nothing really else. I mean, standard car with everything. I got this off of Bangood. Originally it's like $230. I think I got it for $200. It was on sale, so I thought might as well just pick it up. And hopefully in the next video I'll show you guys how I break in my Nitro engines, my braking process, and make a little running video, and hopefully show you what this car can do. Alright, thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more content on this car and other cars, and I'll see you later.